Welcome to AB Extend and Dimension app for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. This app functionality includes two parts. First, it automatically creates and adds in dimension values to cards and sequence entries. Second, it opens columns in various ledger entries. Settings for adding dimensions to specific cards and to open columns must be made in General Ledger Setup. Under Actions, Functions and LVA Dimension Setup, we open the window, and here in the section Reporting Dimensions, it's possible to specify up to 12 dimensions that will be opened in columns in various lists. Check mark Visible at each dimension means that by default dimension is displayed in the list. If Visible is not selected, then user can add this column manually. It will not be opened by default. Uppercase dimension caption means that column name is highlighted and all letters are printed as large. Text before or after reporting dimension caption means that these symbols are added before or after column caption to make it easier to define columns in lists. I want to show you how it looks in System. I will open Item, Ledger Entry. As you can see, these entries, and here you can see all dimensions as columns. To do setup for adding dimensions, we do it here in the section Default Dimensions. In this subpage should be created mapping between selected tables and fields and dimensions. As first, you need to select the table. You do this here. You select the table. All tables that are available for making dimensions you can find here. Second, you need to choose field for which we can create dimension. And as third, you need to select fields to link dimension code and dimension value. Here. Only unblocked lines are used for creating dimensions. So, for example, let's create a new item card. Click on New. Okay. Fill in description. Choose item category code. And now we can open related item dimensions and see that dimensions are created. That's it. Enjoy using this app.